We got 100 dumplings in hopes to get the glitter one.
All right, ready?
Oh my gosh! It's white!
Okay. What color did you get?
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hey,
2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Hey, okay.
We did it.
What is going on?
2, 1.
Someone's pranking
No,
us.
dead ass.
Actually, what's
What
going on? Why are...
Okay, this is
Just...
only got white ones.
What the hell are we supposed to do with 100 white dumplings?
Where are we supposed to order them from? Somebody please tell me, because this is not...
We got scammed! We literally...
Oh,
Я самый грязный заяц, бакс в бане, кидаю деньги в сауну, бакс в бане, мешаем мента с колой.
Yo, look at those ballers over there. Let's go ask what they do for a living. Yo, how old were you when you made your first $1 million?
Like 6 months old.
Damn, well, do you have any advice for the younger youth?
Yeah, there's actually this app called Testra.
I've heard of that before. You literally just play games and get money, right?
It's super easy.
With Testra, some apps will literally pay you $250 a day just to play games. There's literally over 25 million people that use this app, so it has to be good. Trustpilot gives it great reviews, so you know it's trustworthy. And you literally get paid within 24 hours. Like, look at this. Monopoly, I've been playing this non-stop. And I don't even need the cash. I'm just doing it for
So
fun.
what are you waiting for? Go make some cash. Download Testra app.
I don't want your nigga, he needy. Ain't real good at that, I'm greedy. Cute face to remind you of Tweety. Ain't shit sweet with this pussy eating.
50 was a muscle, yeah, goddamn it.
If you want it, if you want it, if you want it, if you want it, if you want it,
I do that.
if you want it, if you want it.
Every time I smoke, I like 4 rolls.
Okay.
Pull pint that dirty. Timmy 10 about 30. Still sipping dirty. Still putting work in. Let's go.
Es malo y no tiene ni un kiki, no tiene ni un kiki, no tiene ni un terremoto como pelota porque tú quieres friki, no tiene ni un kiki, no tiene ni un, tú no tienes ni un kiki, kiki,